tanah penuh cerita, kami tumbuh membawa cahaya. Langkah pasti untuk bangsa, bersama kita di dunia ini. Kami bersatu, kami maju bersama. Kami putri Sumatera Utara, untuk Indonesia bersinar bersama. Kami putri Sumatera Utara, sepenuh dunia kita, bersama kita seirama. Kami wanita penuh arti, mimpi tinggi tak terhenti. Dalam hati ada keberanian, bawa cinta untuk bangsa. Kami bersatu, kami maju bersama. Kami putri Sumatera Utara, untuk Indonesia bersinar bersama. Kami putri Sumatera Utara, sepenuh dunia kita, bersama kita seirama. Kita kuat, kita hebat, kita bersinar tanpa batas. Satu suara, satu rasa, langkah tinggi takkan kalah. Bersama di Sepeto untuk Indonesia. Kami putri Sumatera Utara, untuk Indonesia bersinar bersama. Kami putri Sumatera Utara, sepeto dunia kita, bersama kita seirama. Indonesia bersinar bersama. Kami putri Sumatera Utara, sepeto dunia kita, bersama kita seirama.
Three, two, one.
Dari tanah penuh cerita, kami tumbuh
Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. What an incredible way to begin this spectacular evening. Please join me in giving another round of applause for our reigning Puteri Indonesia Zepeto Pendidikan and Sumatra Utara 14, Emeros Galilea Siahaan, for that truly breathtaking performance. Your voice, your elegance, and your stage presence have set the perfect tone for what promises to be an unforgettable night. Thank you, Emeros, for opening this celebration with such beauty and grace. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the coronation night of Puteri Indonesia, Zepeto North Sumatra, Season 15. Tonight is more than just the crowning of a new queen. It is a celebration of passion, purpose, culture, and the remarkable journey of young women who dare to inspire and create a positive impact. For those of you joining us this evening, my name is Percy Wingard, and it is my absolute pleasure to be your host for this glamorous celebration. So, sit back, enjoy every unforgettable moment, and get ready as we witness the beginning of a brand new reign. Before we continue to our next segment, we'll be taking a short intermission. Take this moment to stretch, capture your favorite memories, and enjoy the wonderful atmosphere around you. We have many exciting moments still to come, including special appearances, inspiring stories, and, of course, the crowning of our next queen. Don't go too far, because we'll be back in just a few moments. I'm Percy Wingard, and this is the coronation night of Puteri Indonesia, Zepeto North Sumatra, Season 15. Stay with us, we'll be right back.
Dari tanah penuh cerita, kami tumbuh membawa cahaya. Langkah pasti untuk bangsa, bersama kita di dunia ini. Kami bersatu, kami maju bersama. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are continuing our magnificent coronation night. Tonight, we are not only celebrating a glorious crowning, but we are also welcoming a brand new chapter filled with inspiration. And without further ado, please put your hands together and give a warm, resounding round of applause to welcome to the stage Puteri Indonesia Zepeto 14, Sierra Wara Amata. Good evening, Sierra. It is such an absolute honor to have you here tonight. A truly inspiring figure who has carried out your duties with utmost grace and excellence as Puteri Indonesia Zepeto 14. Your dedication, poise, and achievements during your reigning year have been nothing short of extraordinary, and you truly deserve the highest praise and admiration. Your incredible journey has set a wonderful benchmark for many. Now, Sierra, tonight we are celebrating the crowning of the new Puteri Indonesia Zepeto North Sumatra 15. Could you share your hopes for North Sumatra as she advances to the national competition, and what special message you would like to convey to her?
Thank you, Percy. To the newly crowned Puteri Indonesia Zepeto North Sumatra, from me, Sierra Wara Amarta, Puteri Indonesia Zepeto 14. The crown you wear today may seem like a symbol of joy, success, or even victory. But more than that, it represents leadership, trust, and responsibility. It's a reminder that every action you take has the power to inspire others. Life will take you on a long journey, filled with challenges along the way. There will be moments that test your strength, but never stop believing that everything happens for a reason and that the best path is already waiting for you. Stay focused on your goals. Always give your best and never stop chasing your dreams. I hope this journey as Puteri Indonesia Zepeto North Sumatra becomes one of the most meaningful chapters of your life. Until we meet again at Puteri Indonesia Zepeto 15.
That was truly breathtaking. Such a profound, wise, and heartfelt message from Sierra. Once again, please join me in giving another loud round of applause for Sierra Wara Amata. Thank you so much, Sierra. Your words will undoubtedly serve as a precious guiding light for our newly crowned queen. Ladies and gentlemen, please stay tuned as we have so much more excitement and magnificent moments coming your way tonight.
Dari tanah penuh cerita, kami tumbuh membawa cahaya. Langkah pasti untuk bangsa, bersama kita di dunia ini. Kami bersatu, kami maju bersama. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. We have just witnessed together the visual magnificence of this season's masterpiece crown, the Star of Boulogne, a symbol of dreams directly inspired by the majestic architecture of the Ruma Boulogne, right here on our stage tonight. And to unpack the story and philosophy behind this extraordinary crown, standing right beside me are two phenomenal figures behind the success of tonight's event. Let's give a massive round of applause to the regional directors of Puteri Indonesia, Zepeto Sumatra Utara, Ms. Nicoline and Ms. Shinta. Hello, Ms. Nicoline and Ms. Shinta. Good evening. It is absolute pleasure to chat with you live on stage. Looking at the video earlier alongside its stunning physical form right here, the brilliance of the Star of Boulogne crown is truly breathtaking. Could you share with our audience what the main inspiration was behind this crown that elevates the beauty of the Ruma Boulogne for season 15?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Percy. Absolutely. For season 15, we wanted to present something deeply rooted in our cultural identity. The primary inspiration comes straight from the Ruma Boulogne, the ultimate symbol of greatness and strength of the North Sumatra community. Its sharp-pointed roof structure represents heritage, strength, legacy. Therefore, this crown is not merely an accessory, but a tribute to our ancestral heritage wrapped in modern luxury.
Such a profound philosophy, seamlessly blending traditional cultural heritage with modern grandeur. Now, from Ms. Shinta's perspective, what are the special material details, gemstones, or specific elements that make this crown so unique, earning it the name the Star of Boulogne?
If we look closely at the details of the Star of Boulogne, it features a harmonious combination of elegant white pave diamonds paired with the striking sparkle of red rubies, symbolizing courage and charisma. Right at the apex, there is a central star element shining brightly, representing the hope that the woman who bears it will not only be a strong leader, but also serve as an inspiration and a guiding star for those around her.
How fascinating. And of course, what makes tonight even more special is that our exceptional representative this year was chosen through a highly selective handpick process. Therefore, tonight's coronation is no longer a standard competition, but rather a grand celebration of dedication and the official handover of the mandate. Could you tell us a bit about how you arrived at this choice and finalized the representative entrusted with this title?
Indeed. Through a meticulous handpick process, filled with careful consideration, we sought out an individual who possesses not only grace and elegance, but also vision, integrity, and a strong social spirit to truly embody the heart and soul of North Sumatra for this 15th season.
We are certainly all curious, knowing how special our chosen representative is this year. What are Ms. Nicoline and Ms. Shinta's greatest hopes for her future journey as she carries the honorable name of North Sumatra?
Our greatest hope is that she executes this noble mandate with immense pride, becomes a genuine inspiration to many, and carries the name of North Sumatra to shine even brighter on a broader stage, truly aligned with the spirit of the Star of Boulogne.
Before we conclude this conversation, allow me to ask one final question. Tonight is also an emotional evening as we bid farewell to your reigning queen, Puteri Indonesia Zepeto North Sumatra, Season 14, Emeros Galilea Siahaan. Having witnessed her journey from the very beginning until this final moment, if you could leave her with one last message before she passes on the crown, what would it be?
Emma, I still remember the day we chose you. We didn't choose perfection. We chose potential, sincerity, and a woman who carried a fire within her heart. Tonight, as you prepare to leave this stage, I hope you realize that your greatest achievement was never the title itself, but the way you gave life to it. Thank you for making North Sumatra proud in your own beautiful way.
And, if I may add, every queen leaves a crown behind, but only a few leave a feeling behind. You are one of those few. Long after tonight, people may not remember every event or every photo, but they will remember how genuine you were, how gracefully you carried every responsibility, and how warmly you embraced this family. That is your legacy, and no one can ever take it away.
What a truly noble and inspiring aspiration. Thank you so much, Ms. Nicoline and Ms. Shinta, for your time and wonderful insights. Let's give one more round of applause for our regional directors. And ladies and gentlemen, before we pause for a brief commercial break, we are about to witness a very special and emotional moment. Throughout her reign, she has worn her crown with unwavering dedication, grace, and an inspiring heart, representing the true pride of North Sumatra. Now, the time has come for her to take one final, unforgettable walk down this runway as our reigning queen. Let us give the loudest, most heartfelt round of applause for the reigning Puteri Indonesia, Zepeto North Sumatra, Season 14 for her final walk, right after this short break.
Dari tanah penuh cerita, kami tumbuh membawa cahaya. Langkah pasti untuk bangsa, bersama kita di dunia ini. Kami bersatu, kami maju bersama. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara, untuk Indonesia bersinar bersama. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara, sepenuh dunia kita, bersama kita seirama. Kami wanita penuh arti, mimpi tinggi tak terhenti. Dalam hati ada keberanian, bawa cinta untuk bangsa. Kami bersatu, kami maju bersama. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara, untuk Indonesia bersinar bersama. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara, sepenuh dunia kita, bersama kita seirama. Kita kuat, kita hebat, kita bersinar tanpa batas. Satu suara, satu rasa, langkah tinggi takkan kalah. Bersama di Zepeto untuk Indonesia. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara, untuk Indonesia bersinar bersama. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara, Zepeto dunia kita, bersama kita seirama. Indonesia bersinar bersama.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I stand before you not only as a title holder, but as someone who has learned that a crown is about service, hope, and the courage to create meaningful change. Serving as Putri Indonesia Zepeto Sumatra Utara Season 14 has been one of the greatest honors of my life. Through every step of my advocacy journey and every moment shared with this incredible family, I have learned the true meaning of resilience, compassion, and dedication. To Manik and Kasin, thank you for your guidance, patience, and unconditional love that have shaped me into a better person. To my team, my fellow queens, and everyone who has supported me throughout this journey, thank you. You will always be a part of this crown. Mandok maliate mahurihuton tu saluhut hita. Sai di pasu-pasu tu hanta mahita saluhutna. Jala tongtong mahita marsada niroha mangulahon angkana uli. This crown may be passed on, but the spirit of service, our love for culture, and our commitment to spreading kindness will continue to live on through the next generation. As I take my final walk tonight, I may be saying goodbye to this title, but never to the purpose it has given me. I may be stepping down from this title, but my love for North Sumatra will remain forever. Horas, mauliate niroha madihita sude.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a truly beautiful and heartfelt last walk. Please give another round of applause for our reigning Putri Indonesia Zepeto Sumatra Utara, Emeros Galilea Siahan. Tonight, we celebrate a reign filled with grace, dedication, and unforgettable memories. Thank you, Emeros, for the legacy you have shared with all of us. In just a few moments, we will witness the most anticipated highlight of this evening, the crowning of the next Putri Indonesia Zepeto Sumatra Utara, Season 15. But before we arrive at that historic moment, please enjoy a short break. Stay with us, because an unforgettable new chapter is about to begin.
Dari tanah penuh cerita, kami tumbuh membawa cahaya. Langkah pasti untuk bangsa, bersama kita di dunia ini. Kami bersatu, kami maju bersama. Kami Putri Sumatera Utara.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to welcome an inspirational figure who will bring a fresh breeze of grace and pride from North Sumatra. With great pride, let us all welcome the new Puteri Indonesia Zepeto, North Sumatra 15.
Saya, Esther Ruth Simbolon, percaya bahwa perubahan besar tidak selalu dimulai dari langkah yang besar, melainkan dari keberanian untuk memulai satu aksi kecil bersama. Di tengah kemajuan zaman, semangat gotong royong perlahan mulai memudar. Karena itulah saya menghadirkan Bersama Berdaya, sebuah gerakan yang menghidupkan kembali nilai gotong royong melalui edukasi digital, pemberdayaan komunitas, dan aksi nyata bagi lingkungan. Saya percaya ketika satu orang bergerak itu adalah inspirasi. Namun ketika kita bergerak bersama, itulah perubahan. Saya hadir bukan hanya untuk menginspirasi, tetapi juga membawa aspirasi dengan kasih. Karena pada akhirnya, Indonesia tidak membutuhkan lebih banyak pahlawan yang berjalan sendiri. Indonesia membutuhkan lebih banyak masyarakat yang mau bergerak bersama. Dan saya percaya belum terlambat untuk memulai. Bersama, kita berdaya.
To officially bestow the symbols of her reign, may I invite Puteri Indonesia, Zepeto Pendidikan, and Puteri Indonesia, Zepeto North Sumatra 14, Emeros Galilea Siahaan, Puteri Indonesia, Zepeto 14, Sierra Wara Amata, Regional Directors Shinta Amalia and Nicolene Watsons, to kindly come forward for the presentation of the sash, the crowning ceremony, and the bouquet presentation. Congratulations once again to our newly crowned Puteri Indonesia, Zepeto North Sumatra 15. May your reign be filled with purpose, grace, and meaningful impact. Before we conclude this wonderful evening, we would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to all of our sponsors and partners for your generous support in making tonight's coronation night possible. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us. See you next season, and good night.
Dari tanah penuh cerita, kami tumbuh membawa cahaya. Langkah pasti untuk bangsa, bersama kita di